Okay guys, I'm here testing the generator. I have the Florida Power and Light on still, and I will show you right now in a minute. I will turn it off. I'm gonna turn off the air conditioner right now. Here we go. Here you go. This is the other side, and I'm getting ready to turn on the backup generator. DUROMAX 13,000 EH. Here you go. What do you think? You like it? Nice setup, huh? That's the exhaust. Okay guys, here we go. We're shutting off the main power supply here. There we go. We shut it off. And we're gonna turn on the propane. Here we go. There we go. Turning on the propane. Open it all the way up. And we're gonna turn on the propane gas here. Turn on the battery. And here we go. Start. It'll start. Okay guys, I'm ready to turn on the generator right here. We're gonna leave the power surge protector for the whole house turned on, so that could protect my whole house electronics. So let's turn on the whole house generator, and we got the FP&L off, nothing on. Here we go. We're gonna go to inside of the house now, guys. As you can see, the air conditioner is off. Internet is on, running right now. TV is on. Got everything running. Most important is the refrigerator. Let's turn it on now. It's on now. Perfect. Let's turn on the lights. Here we go. We got nice lights everywhere in the house. Okay, you're ready to turn on the air conditioner? Here we go. Heat and cool. Let's go outside to the compressor and see if it turns on like you guys like it. Nice and cool. Here we go, guys. Can't even hear it. Working beautiful. Let's see if the air conditioner turns on. The air goes in this way and gets sucked out this way. See that? You like that? And this is the exhaust. Not even hot. This is the wire. Right here. This is the exhaust. like it, guys? We're just waiting for the air conditioner to turn on. 4-ton air conditioner, brand new. You like that? Nice Goodman 4-ton. Come on, baby, you got to turn on pretty soon. Here we go, we got it on. Beautiful. Now we got the air conditioner on. Here we go, we got some lights on, and we got lights over here, and I feel the air conditioner flowing through here. Here we go. Oh yeah, you hear it? The air conditioner is on. Oh yeah, this is a beautiful system. DUROMAX 13,000 EH running on propane, powering a 4-ton air conditioner, central air, and my whole house working great. You like this, guys? Give me a thumbs up. Here we go. There you go. There we go. We got AC here. Yeah. Oh, sorry about that. Here you go in my office. Everything working good. Refrigerator working awesome. Here we go. I can show you. There you go. Perfect. Still working. I'm outside. Everything working good. Okay, everything working good. Everything good. You hear me? Not that noisy. Beautiful, huh? Here's the air conditioner still working. Okay, let's go backward. Let's turn off the generator first. There we go. Now we're going to turn on the air conditioner and the whole house FP&L. Boom. And we're pretty much done. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Take care.